welcome back to my channel. So bringing on the Dollar Tree DIYs from here on out for a long time because my room is cluttered full and I want to get a bunch done. So today I'm going to be doing some fall DIYs along with just some regular Dollar Tree like Farmhouse Decor, and I cannot wait to show you guys. So I'm just going to get started. Okay, so the first DIY, you're going to need this cutting board, ribbon of your choice, and chalkboard paint. So I just taped around the edges because I wanted to use the chalkboard, well, it's not even chalkboard paint, I guess it's chalkboard spray paint, but I just didn't want the sides to get paint on them, so I just taped them all down and then I spray painted it, and then all I'm doing is taking burlap. I decided not to use that other ribbon and I was just going to make a bow, and I normally don't, I usually just put twine in the middle, but I wanted to try this like burlap out. And it didn't turn out too bad. I'm pretty impressed with the way some of my bows have been coming. You know, they're not perfect, but you know, they work for me. But that is it. And then I'm just kind of cutting the bottom and making it look like a cute bow. And then I'm just going to hot glue the bow right in the center at the top of this chalkboard. I think this looks so cute and I absolutely love this. I'm going to have this in my kitchen. I think it is so cute and I love how it's like a farmhouse decor item, and I'm also going to collaborate it with my beautiful fall decor. And then this one, I am just using these coasters. These are just like cheap flimsy coasters. It comes in an 8-pack, but you're only going to use 4, and then you're going to need some of this ribbon and then chalkboard spray paint. I guess you could always use chalk paint. It doesn't really matter, but this is what I had on hand, so this is what I decided to use. And then I'm just going to make a bow, and then you are going to spray paint the coasters with your paint. So you only use 4 out of the 8, and then I am just going to glue this to a burlap ribbon. I just kind of guessed on how long I needed it, and luckily, like, I kind of tested it out, but we got where we needed it to be. And then I am just hot gluing all these down the burlap ribbon, and then I'm going to take my stencils. I don't know what size these are. I want to say they're like a 3-inch stencil. I really don't know. I don't measure them, but I purchased these from Michael's, I think. I've had these for so long, but I purchased these from Michael's, and then I'm just going to write fall on this. You could definitely use like a chalk marker. I think it would look a lot nicer, but I have the worst issues getting a chalk marker off of chalkboard paint or like chalk paint and stuff like that. So I thought this would be really cute for fall right now, but since there's like 4 letters, you could always put home or love. So I really wanted to keep my options open when fall ends and I could actually still use this decor piece in my house. And this is an unfinished wall, but I think it looks so great. And then now we're just going to need nautical rope, a mason jar, this pumpkin spice potpourri, or whatever you have. And then I just used these mini mums. And this is such an easy DIY as well, guys. I'm just taking the nautical rope and wrapping it 3 times. It was like the perfect size. And so I just wrapped it 3 times and then hot glued it down. And then I just threw the potpourri inside of it and then topped it with the mums on the top. But I always mess this up, and you have to put the flowers in first or they just don't squish right in. Alright, that is it for my video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys try out these simple, easy Dollar Tree DIYs. And if you are new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys!